Hi students, now let's see the program swapping of given two numbers with the help of the concept called by reference. So in the previous video we saw how to perform with the help of the call by value where we pass the value of a variable. But whereas when it comes to the call by reference, okay, we call a function by passing address of variable. Okay, so we know that how do we pass the address in C? With the help of the ampersand symbol. See, in the function definition, I have a swap function, user defined one. So whenever I pass the address to retrieve those things, it should be a pointer variable. So I declare the two variables as a pointer variables here. Okay, and the return type is void only. There is no return value. And say A and the B. Let us assume I enter the values here, 10 and the 5. So addresses I am printing here, values 10, 5. Then I am calling this swap function. After that, before the swap and after the swap, again I am printing the values here. Just you observe those things. So let's run the code and show me directly with the values. So it is printf. So I'm giving the 10 and 5. See here, ampersand of A. What is the address of A? This one. So 580, just I'm writing only last 3 characters. And the B address is 576. So A address is 580 and the B address is 576. And inside this I store the value 10 and here 5. Okay. So here I'm not passing these values. Instead of this 10 and the 5, what I'm passing this 580 and the 576 addresses. And this X and Y, these are also variables. So they also consist of, but they are the pointer variables. X is the address is how much? 536. And the Y address is how much? Here it is 544. Okay. So now X is a pointer which can hold the address of the another variable, nothing but a I store 580 this address here and the 576 the address here. And after this I declare the normal variable here into temp then. So temp equal to star x means when I write this star x, what happens? Value at this address. Okay. So value at this address inside the x I have the 580. At the 580, how much value I have here? 10 I have. That I am storing inside the temp variable. Then star x equal to star y. So whatever the value we have inside this the address 576, that 5 that is stored inside the x. So x is now 5 and star y equal to temp. Temp is already I have the 10, that 10 it is stored. So after swapping here I am printing x is how much? 5, y is how much? 10. So it's printed. And again it goes to the function calling where you go to the main function. And after that in the main I'm printing here after swapping in main A equal to 10 and B equal to 5. So actually I passed here 10 5. Now it is printing it as a 5 10. Okay, why? Because whatever we are doing these swapping operations, on this we are performing at this memory locations. Okay, so because of that reason, so these here x and y are called the values are swapped, and x and y are called here formal arguments, and in the whenever I'm calling, those are called actual arguments. So in the call by reference, whenever I modify the values of these formal arguments, okay, then automatically it modifies the values of the actual arguments also. That's a